In this video, you are going to learn all about the new Microsoft Forms app. Until now, creating a form or a quiz required access to the Forms website. Microsoft has now streamlined the process with the new Microsoft Forms app. Within the Forms app, you will enjoy the same experience as Forms on the web. You can create quizzes, surveys, and choose a well-designed template. You also have the option of selecting from a variety of AI-suggested themes. Once you have finished creating your quiz or survey, you can effortlessly distribute it from the app. Let me show you how to get the new Microsoft Forms app. There are two ways that you can install the Microsoft Forms application. One way is by installing it from your browser. First, you are going to go to the waffle on the left-hand side in your Microsoft Edge browser window. If you do not see the Forms application here, you can always click All Apps and search for it there. But as you can see, I do have it here, so I'm going to click it here. You also can type in the search bar www.forms.office.com, which will bring you directly to the Forms page. Once you're in the Microsoft Forms page on the web, come up to the right-hand side of the search bar and click on the icon with the 3 squares and the plus sign. That will allow you to now install the Microsoft Forms application on your desktop. This is the easiest and quickest way to download the Forms application. However, you can also visit the Microsoft App Store and download the Microsoft Forms application from there as well. One more quick tip I'd like to show you that is going to be coming out soon for Microsoft Forms on the web only. So not included in the Microsoft Forms application that I just showed you how to download, but you will be able to access this feature on the Microsoft Forms web version, which I'm currently showing you right now. If you currently use Excel to analyze Forms data, you know that making sure your worksheets have the most current data available can take some extra effort. But with this new update coming out, Forms doesn't just export existing data to Excel. It also automatically syncs new responses in real time. So you can just keep working on the existing worksheet and be confident that you're always using the most current data. For example, if I view my onboard training attendance form, and then I go to responses, here you see I have the ability to open results in Excel. And these are going to sync the results to Excel for the web automatically and analyze with more detail and flexibility. So I don't need to start a new Excel sheet every time a new response comes in. I also have the ability to download a copy of this Excel form, but if I want it to keep working in real time and syncing, I will just click Open Results in Excel. Again, just please note that data sync is currently only available in Excel for the web. So you can see here that if I come back to the form, that Excel sheet is now linked to the form. And if I click, you can see here that my Excel form is now automatically syncing with changes in Microsoft Forms, which you can see at the top here, which means I don't need to create a new Excel sheet every time a new response comes in. I have all of my data from this one form being pulled into this one Excel sheet. Now you know all about the new Microsoft Forms app. Stay tuned for next week's What the Tech tip. See you then.